Hi guys, Ashleeloveit here. Welcome back to my channel. Click that red button, a quarantine vlog. Check it out. On top of that, guys, if you're a nail artist, you can find everything you need at the dollar store. Daiso. Daiso is your life. You can happy midweek or weekend, whatever it is for you. Having a purple drink. Oh, so hot out here. So basically, what are we doing today? Unboxing. How you guys doing? It's from Korea. So I open it. I did a video before, but it was too dark. The sun goes down so fast. It's real quick. Wow, wow. So basically, this is a box full of knickknacks. When I was in Korea, I bought too much stuff. And I started a new career, which is online tutoring. So I got puppets in here. I got a cow puppet. I got stuff to put on your head. This really popular thing called those tapes. I don't know what people put this on their notebooks, everywhere, boxes. They do DIY stuff for them. If you want to clean your dishes, this is what they do. They do handmade. These are handmadely done. The big thing as well, a lot of the electrical stuff, that's to teach online, headphones, whatever is in there. Of course, I bought shoes. This is very popular Korean style of shoes. One thing I like, clearance sale, and they had a lot of clearance sale. So these are planners because I love to get organized. And then budget. Know how to budget, baby. It's very important. Know how to budget. The other thing that I really love, they had all those nail sticker thingy. So let's pray and see if this really works. Makeup. What else is in there? What else? Wipes. And one thing that I discovered that I really like in Korea, diffusers. So I decided that I'm gonna make my own. So this is stuff that I bought at like $3 at Daiso. It makes your house smell super good. And candle. Anything. Oh, headphones, cute headphones. I got lotion. I got more stuff. Oh, look how cute it is. Again, to wash your dishes. I got balloons, hair product. It's like a box of everything and anything. Hello, shampoo, half used. Yes, I do wash my hair. People wonder sometimes. They're like, how do you do with all this? You wash it? Yes, we do. It is washable. This to put in your purse to make the washroom smell nice. Isn't that smart? $1. $1. I love it. Hairbrush. It's like a baby hairbrush. And yes, the stuff that I wanted. Mask. You cannot go to Korea and not come back with mask and all that moisturization that you can find. And take care of your skin. Korea love you for that. It is unbelievable how much stuff there is. So, self-care. More shoes. Really funky shoes. Yep. And the thing that I really want to show you guys is the diffusers. So, what I did, you can go to a Korean market and make your own. So, you can buy your own oils. These with little thing. And you just have to buy the base. Here. So this could be perfume base or diffuser base, whatever kind of base you need, just have it ready and that's it. And you can create your own stuff, which is pretty cool. So in Korea, I discovered how to be creative. If you want to create your own perfume, which you can by buying a bottle of perfume base, 500, and then you just have to mix it together, only 100 mils. You can make 6 bottles of 100 mils, 6 of these with only this and then perfume. So you can buy a bunch of different ones and just mix it. And you can have all your own little perfume. Isn't that cool? Blew my mind. I couldn't believe it. So what else do I have in here? Some Korean snacks. I got those when I got a delivery of stuff. So when they do delivery often, they'll send you random stuff. Oh, yes. To-go travel package. Always needed extra ones. And then more stuff to wash my face. all beauty product you can find in your local stores. This is from the convenience store. Isn't that cool? Nice little traveling pack. So cool. I really love it. Oh, and more nail stuff. So much nail stuff. So much to find in Korea. A lot of hair bands slash Tory Burch Burberry love. And then my cute box. Let's finish that with this. Yay, my Mickey box. So I hope you guys love my unboxing Korean box. We're full of stuff, full of random. Oh, even I got spice. Anything and everything. Got it. Ooh, and I got like this as a gift. Isn't that the cutest little ball? Fuzzy ball. Anyways, good to see you guys. You know the lingo. Go for it. Do it. Love it. And that's it. Hope to see you next time. Bingsu. 100 to drop supply to do perfume. So 500 milliliters of shoes, and that's it. So, hi guys. Bingsu. Be ready. I'm going to try to post way more. Hi guys. Ashleeloveit here. So, this is a quick... Hey guys. Hey besties. Thank you for watching. See you later. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Stay home.